So we all know that we use AI and ML at our fingertips, whether it's Amazon recommendations or what to watch next on Netflix. We know that these are examples of AI and ML. And so is your spam detector in your email. Another example is price surging on the Uber app uses AI and ML. So as consumers, we are very much used to using AI ML at our fingertips. But the question often asked is, how do you use artificial intelligence and machine learning in our organizations and in a business setting? That's a question most often asked to me. And here I present 3 use cases you can think about. Number 1 is predictive analytics. And machine learning can be used to predict things like fraud or when a particular piece of machinery can break down. For example, to drive the point home, I want to say fraud detection in credit cards is a huge money loss for financial organizations or banks issuing the card. So in case you lose your card and somebody spends money, the bank actually reimburses you that money. So machine learning will help you detect the fraud and discern patterns that it's impossible for a human. That's one example, which is predictive analytics using machine learning. The second one is natural language processing. So natural language processing is a subfield of artificial intelligence that uses English spoken or any other language and discerns meaningful patterns out of that information. A very common example that you see of natural language processing is the chatbot that will help you answer your customer service queries. The second example you might often see is sentiment analysis of social media inputs that you can give, seeing if a newly released burger has good feedback or bad on social media. The third example I want to provide is actually image analysis. We all know that cancer detection by radiologists has been enhanced using machine learning algorithms in images. And if you have watched the movie The Patriot, you have seen how it's tedious to see videos in order to catch a criminal or a terrorist by the police. So using machine learning for image analysis obviously increases the speed and efficiency with which you can detect particular person or anything that you're searching, like in cancer detection. So these are some use cases to think about for your organization: predictive analytics, natural language processing, and image analysis. That's all for now. Thank you.